Hello everyone. We will see how to create the down payment request based on the purchase order. As we already know, the simple process to create the down payment request is transaction code FTest47. Alright, so we are not going to use FTest47 this time. We will do the another process. For that, first we need to create the purchase order. So this is the purchase order which I have created. Few things we need to specify here in this purchase order to be enable this for the down payment request. So these are, if you click on this thing, payment processing, here we need to specify the down payment category. So we have three categories, M, N and V. So we said mandatory down payment, and then we specify the percentage of the down payment of this PO. So I said 100%. That means my PO value is 10,000. So down payment will be created for 10,000. And when the down payment should be created, this is the due date. Once the down payment is created, we will come to the line item section, and here we will be able to see the purchase order history tab, wherein we used to see GR document, the invoice verification document. So the down payment request will also be displayed in this section. The tab is now missing because as of now we have not posted any transaction for this PO. So once we post the down payment request, that tab will appear here, the purchase order history. Another thing, we should check the status of the purchase order, whether this is approved or not. So as of now we can see this is not yet approved. So if it is not approved, then we will not be able to create the down payment request. ME2DP. Here we will give the purchase order number and down payment due date. Let's give this range, and these are the categories M2V. We saw there are only three categories, so and now execute. So when we execute, we don't see any information in the output because this purchase order is not yet approved. Now I'm going to request the concerned team to approve this purchase order so that we can execute this transaction code and system will create a down payment request. Let me get this approved and then we will continue this video. Okay, so the purchase order is now approved. Let us see the status of the purchase order. Alright, so we can see now purchase order is released. And now let us try to execute this transaction code ME2DP. Execute. And now we can see here. From here we will create the purchase order. But we will not use GUI, we will see in the SAP Fiori. Our transaction code is /n/UI2/FLP ME2DP. Down payment monitoring for PO. And here we will give our purchase order number. Then we can see whether this down payment request to be created for the header level or for the line item level. So since we have specified the percentage of the down payment or the category in the header, so this is a header level. So we can see from here. Now we will just select this line and we have to click on create down payment. And from here also we have only one line item in the PO item number 10 only. So we can select that. And we will select the down payment request. We can create the down payment also, but we will select the down payment request here and then click on OK. Now we need to give the amount here. So this is the amount of the order. So same amount we will give here because the percentage we given 100%. And then click on OK. Okay, now we need to give the dates like how we give in FTest47. All the information will fill it here, and the GL indicator is A, special GL indicator is A, down payment, and other informations you can give anything. Okay, press enter, then we will get this screen. Okay, now we will click on post. Press enter, and now we can see the document number 17 all zeros is posted in this company code. So basically this is how we can create a down payment request based on the purchase order. Now let us see the purchase order history. This is the purchase order. We will just refresh it and we can see the purchase order history tab here now. Right, purchase order history. So click on here, and now we can see this is the down payment request. This is the document number generated. So if you click here, you can see the FI document number. Posting 39 and special GL indicator is F. F is for down payment request. Now based on this down payment request, we can execute F110 or automatic payment program using this document number, or using this down payment request. We can make a down payment to the vendor from automatic payment program. That's all in this video. We will meet in the next video. If you like the effort, please share, like and subscribe, and also your suggestions are most welcome. Thank you so much.